Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use BYCOL function in Google Sheet. So here you will see this is my sales report. Okay, this is month January, February, March and April, and this is branch A, branch B and branch C total sales. Okay, now I want to find out the average sales and sum of the sales. So you can use BYCOL function, okay, to avoid this drag and drop. Okay, so how to do it? You have to use the equals to, then type BYCOL, then you have to choose the array or range. So you have to choose the table of the sale, comma, now you have to use lambda. Okay, then it will ask for names, so you have to choose C for column. Okay, this will represent one column. Okay, then comma, now formula expression. So we want to find out average, so we have to type just average. In bracket we have to type C. Okay, then bracket close and bracket close. Now you will see this is the average sale of each branch. Now if you want to find out the sum, you have to just do the same BYCOL. Okay, then array or range, so you have to select the whole cell table, then comma, now type lambda. Okay, now name the column C. Okay, now formula expression we want to find out sum, so you have to type sum in bracket C, then bracket close. So this is the sum of each branch sale. Okay, so like this you can use this BYCOL function in Google Sheets. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.